Now let's understand the movement of air because of uneven heating on Earth. The equatorial region gets the highest amount of sunshine throughout the year. Due to this, the air near the equatorial region gets heated. The warm air rises up and it creates an area of low pressure. The cooler air from the higher latitudes rushes towards the equator to fill the gap. This results in the wind movement from tropical zones towards the equator. Similarly, wind movement is caused in other part of Earth. Sea breeze a very good example of this. As you know, in coastal area, the land warms up faster than the ocean surface. Warm air from the land rises up and creates an area of low pressure near the ground. The low pressure zone is filled by cooler air from the ocean surface. This gives rise to the sea breeze. Okay, student. In this rainy season, this scene is very common. This kind of sight you may frequently see. This is thunderstorm. Many a times rain is associated with lightning. Rain with lightning is called thunderstorm. This happens mostly in summer. Thunderstorm occurs frequently in hot and humid tropical areas such as India. In summer, the air rises up along with lot of moisture. After rising up to a certain height, water vapors cools down and starts coming down in the form of water droplets. This process is called condensation. The swift drifting of water droplets creates electricity among clouds. This manifests in the form of lightning and sound. This is known as thunderstorm. Dear student, if I will tell you two words, Fani and Amphan, then what will come to your mind? Yes, surely the cyclone will come to your mind. The cyclone which have shown a massive destruction in coastal area of India. So, how this cyclone forms? Fast moving air towards a center, usually with heavy rain, is known as cyclone. Wind direction, wind speed, humidity and temperature together create cyclone. When water vapor in the clouds cools down, it releases heat. This heat warms the air around the clouds. The warm air rises up and creates a low pressure zone. This low pressure zone is quickly filled in by cooler air from the surrounding. This creates a system in which the center is having very low pressure and is surrounded by wind moving around it. The wind from the surroundings move in a circular fashion towards the center and gives rise to cyclone. As you can see in this picture, the center of cyclone is called eye. You can see the eye in the middle of this cyclone. A cyclone may be 10 to 15 km high. It is a rotating mass of air. The diameter of eye may be vary from 10 to 30 km. Eye of a cyclone is a calm area, but around the eye, air may move with a very high speed such as 150 to 250 km. There could be a lot of destruction can caused by cyclone. A strong cyclone can be very destructive. We have to take some effective measures regarding save ourselves. The safety service towards cyclone and other disaster by government and other agencies are given here. Thank you very much, student. Have a nice day.